Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys, for Paradox the Rapper. Today, my boy Louie is going to come and help me fix the broken axle on my VR4. The axle boot on it is busted and it's leaking fluid everywhere. It's sprayed all over my engine, so he's taking it off. He's going to actually rebuild my axle boot. And of course, when Louie's here, we always have to take this 240 out and do some practice drifting, so stay tuned for that. We got this fool over here.
You got me looking hella Mexican as shit right now.
Hurry up, Betsy!
Hey, I'm your mobile mechanic,
So,
bro. I do brakes. I got your fucking... You need alignment? No problemo.
Hey, you gonna mess up my alignment when you take this shit off?
No, because your alignment's on this now.
They didn't even mess with that. They just tweaked when they did my alignment. They just messed with this thing right here. That thing.
Yeah, this is for toe. This used to be for camber, but since you have
They didn't even
coilovers...
fuck with my camber.
Yeah, so this used to be for camber. They're just adjusting toe. This is toe.
Oh, okay.
And then this is where your camber used to be adjusted,
Yeah.
but since you have the camber plates, camber is up here.
Man, I know how to adjust toe. You can just eyeball that shit. Anyway, so what Louie is doing is he's fixing my busted axle. So, right there.
It's torn.
It's torn. This is what happens when you lower your car. Usually, your axle gets fucked. Just because it's used to being one position, and then now when it's lower, it's in a different position and it cracks. Is that right?
Yes. So basically, it dry rotted in a certain position, and then it's been fucking like 30 years, and then you're like, hey, I'm gonna fucking slam this shit.
But yeah. So
And then it pulls on it.
this shit happens to every car I lower.
Every car.
What if it's a new car?
The trucks that they lift, the same shit happens too.
What happens if a new car you do it?
New car, nothing would happen.
It's fine.
Normally.
Oh, just because it didn't have a chance to rot.
It didn't have a chance to dry in that position.
Is there some shit we can just put on the boots all the time to make it not rot?
No.
Oh, lame.
It's just old.
I was gonna say you grease that shit up, but anyway, he's gonna take that out and he's actually gonna rebuild the boot rather than replace the whole axle.
Rebuild the axle.
Man, look at this! Look at this flawless surface. You can see your reflection off that shit.
I can see how ugly you are.
I can't see it because the light's blocking my shit. All right, here we go. This is the axle.
Boot's broken. So we
Broken.
gotta take a C-clip off from there. This pops out, and then we can rebuild the bottom one, slide it over, and then we can rebuild the top one as
What do
well.
you mean rebuild the bottom one? What's wrong with this one?
I'm changing both of them because they're old.
Oh,
I have both.
this one
of them
looks
for you.
good.
It doesn't matter if it's good.
All right, bro.
I'd rather have you brand new one that you never have to mess with it.
We drain the transmission oil or fluid too.
Your fluid's ugly as fuck.
Damn! Hey, where do you pour it in?
There's a fill hole from the top, so you need a little transfer pump. I gotta get that tomorrow.
What the hell?
The other half of your axle's still in there, so I gotta pry that out. You can see it back there. So I gotta pry that out.
that portion.
Yeah. So I'll pry that out in a bit.
Okay, so now he's got the stuff out. He's about to do some surgery.
There's some surgery in this thing.
So what are you gonna do?
So we gotta cut this. We gotta cut this.
You gotta cut what?
This thing right here. You gotta cut this right here. And you gotta cut that one and that one, so you can take both boots out. And then there's a little C-clip right here. You can kind of see it. We gotta take that off. You take that C-clip off, and then the whole top part comes out. So we have.
Where'd you get this?
Napa. Shout out to the boys at Napa.
Wait, Napa just sells VR4
They sell the
boot
boots.
rebuild kits?
Yeah, because the NA versions
Uh-huh.
obviously are a lot more common. The rear axles are like next to impossible to find.
All right, so
Where's my cut?
man, you don't get no cut.
Where's my cut?
You weren't in any of the videos that made money.
Damn. I'm in them now.
All right, so
bro.
he
Okay.
he
so
popped
this is
this
what happens.
off.
This
So we
has
had
a
to
special-
like 3-man it.
Okay. So this has a special side on it. See how the teeth don't go all the way?
Yeah.
That one goes down, and then the flat side goes to the top. This side is just flat.
Yeah.
Clicks into place, and then this goes
And
over.
that thing was what we were struggling to take off. So what we did was we held one of these against one of his teeth.
Yeah.
So it stays in place, and then
screwdriver.
and you push it, and then you use the other pry tool and you get it up. Anyway, once that's off, you can pop the whole thing off.
And this comes out,
Dope.
and then it should come out.
I can't do 1,000 horsepower on these.
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh,
Where's your single turbo, dude?
hold up, G. I gotta get another car.
Gotta stroke it. Clean it all off, you know?
Oh, yeah, like
Get
that.
that good action.
Oh, yeah, like that. There you go. Now it's clean. All right, while I'm working on this RSX over here, that's gonna be on a different video.
I just blew his mind.
He's got the bottom boot on already.
Yeah, it's all under.
So it's all like fucking pro cinch and everything. Look at that. Damn, son, he's got the special tool for it. So he's got all the grease in there.
So
and it's looking good. So this is the old clip. Let me see that shit.
Yeah, here you go.
All right, this is the old one. This is the new one. So it's got these little holes in it. And then he's got the special tool. Oh, about to do it. Damn, fool. There we go.
You better reach under there, boy. You better reach under.
What? I can't grab that ass?
Yeah. Hell no.
All right, so the tool will open up this ring.
I just blew Paradox's mind, dude. He's like, what the fuck is that?
Man, that's what we're buying. Specialty tools and all that shit.
Hold up. Go
This is the guy to hit up for all your VR4 needs right here.
I'm good.
No, I'm just kidding. He probably won't do it.
I won't do shit for your car. Only because I love you, Paradox.
Yo, this one is off. There you go.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Oh, you're good?
It has a... They don't fall off.
Oh, okay.
And then, yeah.
Sick.
So then we have this is new.
Okay.
Throw it on there. Yeah.
Is that right?
Special way.
And it's all on, nice and cinched. No longer leaking. This is good. Hey, you got grease right here, bro.
I gotta wipe it off.
But yeah, cinched right there. And down there. Did you get the bottom part?
Yeah, it's done.
Let me see.
It's done, bro.
Oh, sick. This
There you
feels
go.
like a pro. All right. Now it's ready to go back into the car. So we're good. But I just need some transmission fluid. All right. I'm prepping this car because he's going to get mine ready. And we're going to go and go to this local meet. But over here, Louie's pumping. So this is GL4 75W90 gear oil. We got Valvoline. And he's pumping it into the transmission with this transfer pump. That's tight. Where's it going? Let's see.
Fill plug's on the top.
Oh. Okay. Where's the drain plug?
It's on the side.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of hard to see.
Oh, down there. I see.
Yeah, it's the bottom.
All right. Test driving it with the new transmission fluid on and the new axle. It's feeling really good. I got Louie behind me here. Second gear. Yeah, it's feeling great. Look at that. God damn. Why does this one look better than like the new ones?
When they were cool.
Huh?
That's when they were cool. Damn, that worked.
This thing's so sick, dude. I used to have this as a Hot Wheels car. All right, we're leaving the event, but it was pretty good. A lot of awesome, interesting cars here, but nothing as great as these two, right? Yup. You know we gotta swap cars. Oh yeah, so sexy. My car drive. Once again, getting E85. So we just done swap cars. Louis, what do you think about your car while I was driving?
It was sick. And it smokes a lot.
There was a cop behind us at one point earlier, and I was just like,
There's a fucking cop behind me, and then he's just fucking like doing crazy shit, and I'm like, slow the fuck down, dude.
But you have the red car, so they're following you,
Yeah,
and they're not paying attention to me because I'm camouflaged.
Yeah.
This is, I got the Predator camo. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that shit looks so exotic when you're driving it. His clutch feels a lot more stiffer because he's got the upgraded clutch, so I kind of like that. Huh? Yeah. Oh, what? She want to play? She want to play? Let's run it. Let's go, baby. All right, so here I'm recording Louis. We're taking turns, but he's practicing his large circles, and the car's a little bit under power, so it's not that great. But when I get in, I just really look to drive it. Wide angle, sorry. All right, baby, let's go. Dump it, clutch down in, floor it, floor it. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this one with some shameless plugging of my new stickers. So I made these Team Paradox stickers, and this actually used to be our racing team name. Back in 2002, 2004 or so, we used to rock Team Paradox, and we named that because all of our cars were black and white, so it was opposites. That's the reason why all my stuff is called Paradox, is because originally that's our racing team name. We used to do that hardcore street racing shit. Here we go. And we got a Paradox styling sticker. Back in our day, car meets did not exist. That was not a thing. Like, we didn't just go and park somewhere and then looked at each other's cars. We literally went and met up at like Saturday, Friday night. There's just random spots around Sacramento, and people would just run it. This one's a little hard to get rid of. There we go. Losing some dots, but that's fine. What do you guys think about that one? So back in the day, the IT team used to be called Team Decepticon. In Northern California, they were the IT team back in the day. So if you guys remember them, hit me in the comments. Okay, and on the VR4, we got another one too. So I need new tint on my VR4. That's why it looks really janky right there. And I'll get that done sometime soon. I'm gonna try to do tinting myself. We'll see how that goes. I'm still searching for the right product. So if you know someone who's a tint distributor, tag them, have them hit me up. Boom. These stickers are a little hard to put on, okay? But once on, they're awesome. Let me know what you guys think about those stickers and that one. I definitely like that one. That one, I'm not sure. Maybe I need to redo it. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys would rock this or that. I'm getting a big Paradox the Rapper banner. That's gonna go on the windshield somewhere, I think. So probably up top or on the bottom like the Eliminate. Maybe on the bottom. We used to rock it up top all the time, but I think the bottom one is cooler. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. If you guys didn't notice, the red MR2 is gone. Don't worry, I did not sell it. It is in the shop right now, and it's getting the whole engine redone with seals. And if you're an MR2 fan, I'm gonna be doing a lot more MR2 content with that coming up. So I'm trying to make it like an awesome daily driver that looks really cool too. So until next time, guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about all of our shenanigans and all my cars and stuff me and Louie's doing. If you like this kind of content, get the views up and I will make more of this, because mostly right now all my rap videos are the ones that are being watched, not so much the shenanigans that I'm doing myself. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.